Italy over here, and we've got more Italy over here, and we have these beautiful Italian islands, and there's been some thunderstorms just over one of these islands over here for the last, I don't know, 4 hours, so it's been giving us a nice beautiful light show, and we were moving along at like 32 knots for a while, and then it kind of died down, and now it's down to like, I think we're moving around 12, 15 knots right now.
Nice.
Yeah, it's pretty gusty. It's super gusty. The way that the winds actually like move through the valleys over here. So you get big gusts that just kind of barrel through, and then it kind of dies off a little bit. And then when we get past Corsica, then it's gonna actually build up, and then we could see upwards of, I don't know, 35. But yeah, it's a beautiful morning, and yeah, red sky at night, sailors delight. Red sky in morning, sailors take warning.
Nice.
It's red sky.
Beautiful sky. Can I ask what's going on with the engine?
Cole is having a little bit of work with the engine. She used to be a fishing boat crew, and I guess that's where she acquired a lot of experience with engines. So she's bleeding the fuel line because with the heel we got some air in the system. I mean, that's to be expected if you only start with 15 liters of fuel in a large tank. So it's nothing shocking. We just do it very mindfully or carefully, and it will be done in 10 minutes. Anyway, during daytime we have no issue because we have solar and hydro generator and fully energy efficient. We just reduce a bit our consumption for the moment.
No, I know.
Doesn't seem so good.
No, it says you have to do it several times until fuel non-coarsely withdraws perfectly at the ventilation string. Just give it a second. Give it a little hot second. You gotta be kind. It's a smart system. It's not like when you can just manually just pump it. It's not like that.
More brutal things.
Yeah, no, finesse. We have to finesse this one.
At the moment they have moments that are pretty fast, so they might be just coming with some more breeze from behind. It's quite annoying.
Huh?
It's quite annoying.
Yeah.
we are expecting a left shift in the, so it's gonna go left until like it's already quite lefty actually.
Why there is some tension in the runner? Oh, look at the runner is closed.
Gotta put him on a Raycon right now.
It's a tight crossing, but you can.
So we're about to get to the waypoint Foxtrot, and right now we're passing the Canadians, but it's going to be kind of a lot of work because we have to jibe and then get around the mark and then pretty much try to keep and stay in breeze.